Hey y'all, this is Jeannie from Jean's Home Decor and More. This is my new little skinny tree, and as you can see, I already started decorating it. I really like this tree. The tree that I had before was a little wider, so this time I decided to get a little skinny tree, and I like this. So it's a flat skinny tree, and I got it off of Amazon. So I want to say it wasn't that expensive. So in any event, most of the ornaments and picks on here I got from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, I guess, whatever it is. So the only ones that I really got from a store other than the Dollar General are these shatterproof gold ornaments here. I think they're really, really pretty. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were $13.99 and they were 60% off. So I really like those. And the rest of them, like I said, I got them all from the dollar store. I might have got a couple from Walmart or Target because, like I've been in the Christmas decorating business for a minute, so when you get of a particular age, you have quite a collection of Christmas decor. So I have a lot to choose from. So I told my husband to bring these totes up. He was like, good grief, this is a lot of totes. So I've already finished one tree. And that tree is like, like a soft white and some different hues of blue. And I think it's really pretty. It's like really soft. It's kind of like a cozy feel-good color. So I'll show you that. And this one, I was thinking I would keep this gold. I wasn't sure if this was the look I was going for. Sometimes I kind of just start on a tree and just kind of wing it from there. I was going to put some red accents in here, so we'll see. So I just started off. I have my husband said, well, I would like to get a star from the top. For the top. So, I don't want Christmas to just be all about what I'm doing. He enjoys Christmas too. So I said, well, if you want a star, you go ahead and get yourself a star. So I said, but if it's electric, we have to, keep the cord in the back. He said, oh no, I'm gonna see if I can find one that's battery operated. I said, okay, that's fine. So, I want everybody to be part of the tree decorating activity, if that's what you want to do. Now, he's not going to do all this because I don't think he has the patience to do all this. But if he wants to put a star up there, I'm like, okay, I'm cool with that. So, so that's where we are now. I'm going to put some reds in here, and then, I'll come back. I did want to tell you all, the reason why I wanted to put a little red in here is because y'all remember my little Christmas mannequin? Isn't she cute? She's all dressed up. So I wanted to put some red in here. So I'm going to put a little red. I have some red ornaments I'll put in the tree because I have some other red ornaments that I want to put on the table. So I have to somehow incorporate the red in here. I didn't want to do red in the other room because my walls are like, I would say like a mustard color. Where I have the other tree. So I think that red would somewhat clash with that, which I plan on painting that room next year. I'm going to go back to more of a neutral color like this color here, which is accessible beige from Lowe's. So I'm going to do that room the same color because I want to get away from that. I like it in my kitchen area, but in my family room, I find that it's limiting, like if I want to do other things. So I'm going to paint that room. That's on my list of to-dos for next year, if the Lord lets me live, into next year. I don't want to get ahead of myself. But for now, since I have, a beige color here, I can incorporate some reds in this room. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be back, guys. Let you see where I'm at. I haven't posted any home decor videos because I am cooking. Today is Tuesday, November the 22nd. As you can see, I have a few collard greens here cut up. They look good though, don't they? Nice and fresh. little overflow I have here. And here they are. Look at that. They're looking good. We all love collard greens here, and they're very healthy for you. I am getting a little Christmas going on. You know, I have a few things out, and I have already cooked these, boiled these sweet potatoes because I'm gonna make sweet potato pie this afternoon. And the marshmallows here are for candied yams. My mom used to call them candied sweets, but I call them candied yams. I don't know what you guys call them. But I'm getting ready. I'm doing, doing my little cooking thing. So I won't be posting any home decor videos today or tomorrow. If I post anything, it'll be about cooking videos. So anyway, I just want to kind of take you along. Here's my little skinny tree. You see I have a ribbon hanging down because I'm going to add some ribbon to that. And guess what else I told you guys? I told you guys that I was going to have my dining table fixed for Thanksgiving and then have Christmas in here as well. But I couldn't make it work in terms of a color palette. So I kind of wanted to do a little red, green, and gold in here. And that's what I have. But I kind of like things to all complement one another. So that's what I have going on here. And oh, look, check out my little mannequin girl. Isn't she cute? So that was my little DIY project. I do like that. So, I do have a few things here ready for the holiday. I'm getting ready. And as you can see, I have my tree up. Have my tree up. It's not lit up, so it's really hard to see how beautiful it is when it's lit. And I decided to use this table for my Thanksgiving table. People can kind of move around wherever they want, but I'm going to take those olive branches out and just put my regular, beautiful Thanksgiving flower arrangement back in that vase. So that's what I have going on. So what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving, right before Thanksgiving? Or do you guys have those pots and pans popping? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I certainly hope that all of you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and safe holiday. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.